Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Microvision Inc. Now this stock, if you're looking at this chart, so this is the weekly chart in front of you, but this stock looks like has completed its correction and it is actually bouncing back from its previous support, which was your resistance. Then after the breakout in 2020, it becomes a support and the stock is respecting those levels. So let us discuss about this and let us see what do we have here as far as the upcoming trend for Microvision Inc. is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So what do we have here? Let me show you the levels first. Okay, there are 2 or 3 specific levels to talk about. Let me zoom this chart a bit so that you can understand what is actually going on over here. Right, so this is what we have here as far as the trend or the range is concerned, and as you can see, this stock is indeed respecting all the levels which it has crossed recently, and it is now acting as a support. So for Microvision Inc, you have 4.32, 3.79 and you have 3.33. So these are your 3 targets, 3 levels which will work as your support, and most importantly $3, which is your stop loss. So please do not go below $3 on the downside, as this will be a strict stop loss. Now if the stock continues to sustain above 4.32, if that happens, and if the stock moves above 4.32 and sustains above that, we will have a couple of levels to look at. Let me show it to you. So your recent high will be retested if the stock sustains above 4.32, and by nature of this stock is indeed very volatile and a high beta stock, so there is a high degree of risk which is also I would say involved in this particular stock. So please be assured that you are going for a crazy ride, and if you are not prepared enough, better not to stay in this kind of stock. Now after 4.32, if the stock sustains, you have $10, then 24, then 27. As you can see, these are your recent highs that the stock has made, and these are very sharp moves indeed, right? These are indeed very sharp moves. Now there is another way to discuss about this particular trend, and if this trend actually completed its correction, then in that case it's not about 24 or 27. I think it's something big which is going to happen, and it will definitely take some time. We can't be in a hurry to see these kind of moves, but the overall trend, if I draw a swing chart, a trend out of this, so you will have something like this, right? Now whether this will work out or not, that's a different story, but does it look good? Then the answer is yes, it does, because the risk reward is phenomenal. What do we have as far as risk is concerned? As I told you, $3 is going to be your stop loss on the downside, and as far as the upside is concerned, we have our big swing which is in between 160 and, if I wrote like this, $100 and $280. So this is the big swing that we could probably see if the trend works out, and that's why this stock makes or can make big target and looks very interesting right now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.